dope in the trash can. These niggas been copping out this smoke, we done passed that. I'm tired of that hoe wanna hear her friend because her ass fat. My bro told him I'm crack, I don't know why he did. Wish I was right there on that drill, I ain't seen my dog in a minute. You ain't gotta ask me to switch the block, just know that we.
What's up, YouTube? It's SNL Ray. My hair look like a peanut, and it's blurry. And we back with another video. I don't know if I said that already, but we have a special guest.
Hi.
And my cat. Y'all, today I get my braces off. Oh. I don't want it, babe. I don't want it.
Baby, you're gonna look cute.
I get my braces off today, and I got a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock. My brace appointment's at 11. Where my phone at? My brace appointment is at 11, and it is currently, don't look at the room. It's currently 10:14. I gotta start getting up. But, yeah, y'all. My teeth is finna be bare. And my lip itch. Oh, y'all. Bro, it's this virus going around called neuro and mono. I just had neuro yesterday. Oh my god, bro. My jaw. You overstimulated my cat. I don't think she like it, y'all. My jaw. I haven't threw up since I was in 6th grade. I haven't threw up since I was in 6th grade, bro. Bae. 6th grade. And then I just threw my guts up yesterday. I threw up 4 times. I woke up, started feeling sick or whatever. And it took me 2 hours to throw up. I threw up. Then after that, I thought I was fine. I went to work. And as I was on my way to work, I ended up throwing up on the side of the road. That was 2. Then when I got to work, I threw up. That was 3. And then I came home. I took a Zofran. My mama made me take one because my mama had it before me. So she made me take a Zofran, and I haven't threw up since. So, and it's a 24-hour virus, so it doesn't last that long. But I'm doing okay now, so that's all that matters. I just don't want my girlfriend to get it. Right now, she's fine, though. She hasn't had any symptoms of it. She just been, you know.
Y'all, I was sick this morning because of her.
Oh!
Real life, I had a stuffy nose. Keep in mind.
She lying.
Keep in mind, I had the same thing last time I came up here. I had a stuffy nose and I had a scratchy throat.
You did it, because I ain't have neither one of those.
Okay, you didn't have neither one last time either.
But yeah, y'all, she feeling okay now, right? I made her take some black seed oil. She said it was nasty, but she'll be okay. Ain't that right?
I want some bourbon chicken.
She want to go to the mall and get some bourbon chicken from this Chinese place because she's addicted. I ain't gonna lie, it was good. But I don't think I can eat that though, babe. You think so?
Oh, right.
I think I can, but my mama said I'm not gonna be able to finish it.
You won't, but I mean, as long as you eat.
Yeah. I just gonna have to take little bites and probably don't eat all of it, of course.
I was better holding the camera than you. Give me this.
You was cropping your damn face out.
No.
Y'all see the balloons in the room? Hold on, babe. Hold the camera so I can show them what you got. Tell them don't look at my dressing.
Y'all, don't look at her dressing.
Okay, so hold on. Look at the picture. I painted this. I have to go over it again. But this one, I did it. And my girlfriend.
Y'all, not so much my umbrella, but you get the concept. It's cute.
I told her to go over it again, but she doesn't want to for some reason.
It looks good like this.
And then I got me a bear. My girlfriend got it for Valentine's.
The lighting is kind of bad, babe.
It is?
No, because I wish I would have got myself one. That smells good for real.
Yeah. And then my girlfriend, she got me these flowers.
Y'all, keep in mind she hasn't put them in water yet.
I feel like flowers shouldn't go in water. You see yours start dying.
Y'all see the flowers she got me, and now they're dead.
Okay, so boom. Let me show y'all what she got me in this bag. Happy Valentine's Day. That's what it say, right?
Yeah.
So we got some paper. I didn't even see these.
Yeah, go through the bag.
I I didn't. So let's leave. We got some gum because her breath be stinking.
She lost.
We also got some conversation hearts. I love these things so much. And then we got some Slim Jims because I love being slim. Again. Oh, I thought that's mine. Don't worry. And then we got some. Oh my gosh, y'all.
She like a
Man, you
grandpa.
ate with it. You ate with these. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
You said I eat like a grandpa.
Don't nobody eat that.
Y'all, comment down below if y'all be eating these because I know y'all do and don't be lying. Raisinets, milk chocolate, Raisinets.
Okay.
What should I say?
Raisinets.
And then she got me these dynamites. I mean these.
Dynamites.
They say dynamite.
Dynamite.
It's the same thing. But she got me some of these. I'm gonna be shitting, and I already been shitting enough. I got some Flemininas. Fleminas.
Flamas.
I said.
Flemininas.
I got some of these. I have never had these. Actually, yes, I have.
How you gonna tell me that's one of your favorite?
Cause it is, but it look different. I never seen
It's a
this.
new appearance.
Yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, my girlfriend definitely ate more than I did because I didn't know what the fuck to get her. But it's okay. She got something coming in the mail.
Yeah, I don't know what's coming in the mail.
Yo, you know.
I know.
Yeah.
What
You
is
don't
it?
know. But yeah, y'all. I got my girlfriend something. And it's coming. It's coming, right, babe? Kissy, kissy, kissy.
Kissy, kissy, Roxanne.
But yeah, y'all. We gotta get up, babe.
Okay.
My brace is finna go bye-bye. And I'm gonna have my girlfriend record, so. Sorry. I'm a little weird. Watch your mouth.
Watch hers.
Don't hit me.
My mom gonna watch this to see you hit me.
Ah, I didn't watch. I mean, what? Y'all looking over. Don't run. Pose for the camera. Oh, okay. That's fine. Bae. We're gonna get back with y'all when we leave out the house to be on our way to the orthodontist appointment. It's up the street, so we're not really too late. So yeah. You ready, bae?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Alright, y'all, we made it to the orthodontist. As y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see it yet. For real. But yeah. And I'm finna go in there. They finna dig in my mouth, and I don't want to do it. Hopefully they say I'm late and I can't do it, so.
Yeah.
That is so pretty! 3 hours later. What time is it? We gotta go. I gotta go to my doctor's appointment. Who is this? Hello? Y'all, I miss my braces. I ain't gonna lie. But no veneers needed. We don't do those. Horse teeth. Ain't that right?
Period.
She over here being fat, y'all. She been busted down for like 10 minutes.
No, because if you could eat two, do the same thing.
Shut up. Y'all, I ate one chicken tender and a little bit of butter biscuit because my stomach is still a little bit of cut. I had a little bit of biscuit and yeah, so my stomach's still sensitive, so I don't need to be eating all that food like that. But I'm finna definitely bust these apple pies down. Hold on, let me show y'all.
Y'all, she over here starving our baby.
Popeyes. They say Popeyes. Say Popeyes.
Popeyes.
Say Popeyes.
Popeyes.
Say Popeyes.
Popeyes.
What is these crumbs on me, babe?
What you mad at me for when
You
eat
did
like a
it.
kid?
No,
You got it on your pants and all. That's how I know you eat like a baby.
Yeah, y'all. The whole process
Took 3 hours.
3 hours. My girlfriend was in her car crying,
Oh, you're lying.
but I did leave her hungry. That's my fault. I didn't know they was going.
Tired, sick, bone, dying. Can I go on?
Anywho, I didn't know it was gonna take 3 hours. I thought it was gonna take 1 at most. But Shorty kept messing up with my retainer, and they kept having to like take the glue off and redo it, and take the glue off and redo it, take the glue off. Like they just kept doing that. But she eventually called the doctor over, and he helped her. So I have a retainer back here. I gotta go pick up my retainers tomorrow, and I'm gonna have them on. So yeah, I gotta enjoy this while I can right now.
Ooh.
We had a 6-piece, and she ate all of them.
Wow.
Besides one, because that's the one I ate.
No, I only ate 2. Thank you.
And like I said before on my Instagram post earlier today, everybody that checked up on me, I love y'all. Everybody who did check up on me,
It's still love.
it's still love? No, it's not. Love lost. Sorry. Because y'all didn't check up on me. Because why wouldn't y'all? I was throwing my guts up. You always be friends with somebody that don't check up on me?
Huh?
She too busy being a fat ass. Anyways, y'all, I'll pick back up the camera when we doing something interesting. Probably when we fighting. Because I need to run my one word.
I'm gonna win.
So,
Like every single time.
yeah. You gonna what?
I'm gonna win.
Say it loud so I can hear.
I'm gonna win like I do all the time.
Y'all see she trying to be like me? She got on the same hoodie I got on. And she got on... Oh, that girl was in there asking me about my camera and stuff. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna end the vlog. I mean, not end the vlog. I'm gonna cut the clip. Hey, YouTube. It's been 6 days since I picked up this camera. My girlfriend's been gone for 6 days. I've been having these braces out for 6 days. I have a retainer in, so if I have a lisp, that's why. My Colin brand shirts came in, but we finna get into that right now. But yeah, y'all, I'm picking back up the cam. I was been supposed to pick back up the cam, but I just been feeling so unmotivated, bro. Like, it's not even funny, bro. So we finna unbox this. I have my shipping label printer here with me now. We got the shipping label printer, and I also have my bulk order for my shirts, right? We got the shipping label printer that came in the mail, and we also got, bam, we got the shirts, y'all. We got extra small, small, medium, and large. But yeah, y'all, these are the sizes that we got. And we also got, I'm sorry, Nova, I'm sorry. We also got some custom made bags that he made me. So yeah, this is what the shirt's going in. But I currently have on the shirt right now. As y'all can see, it's good quality. It's a custom neck. It's not choking you, bro. Like, it's not choking you. Well, at least it's not choking me. But yeah, y'all. We got the box. Let's do a thumbnail. But yeah, y'all. Let's go ahead and open up this shipping label printer. I think I want to do this on my bed. I got this off Amazon. It was $30-something, but it was on sale. So I don't know if it's currently still on sale or not, but yeah. So this is what it looked like. I don't know what brand this is, but it's backwards, but it say PERIPAGE. Prepaid. I don't know. I'm not finna sound slow trying to read this to y'all, but Amazon don't put stuff in packages no more. They literally gave it to me like this. I can't put that in the video, but they literally gave it to me like this. My shipping label is right here on the back side of this fucking box. They didn't put it in no bag or no box, no man. But I'm finna open this. Hey. So you fold this down. It comes with this. It comes with this. I don't know what this is. So Also comes with a plug-in. I don't know. This is the plug to plug in the wall, though, obviously. And this is the actual shipping. Ooh, I'm finna break it and I ain't even used it yet. This is the. It ain't come with no shipping labels. I know it better came with shipping labels. But it look like it's light a little bit. It look like this, y'all. I'm scared. How do you work this thing? I don't know how to open this. On button, off button. Oh, that's where you plug in that thing at. I guess that's the press to turn it on. Yeah. Oh. It did not come with shipping labels. Oh wait, yes it did. Ah! It did, y'all. It came with a couple. It came with a couple. These the shipping labels. Oh! Let's retry that. I'll be seeing what they be doing. I don't think I could do it with this. I want to test one. But I don't really feel like setting this up right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't feel like setting this up right now. I rate this just off the look and with all it came with, a 10 out of 10. They didn't forget any items. It came with shipping labels. It came with shipping labels. It came with the labels to print them with. There we go. And yeah, so we finna put it to the test when I can get my first order online, because I have yet to get an order on my website. So I know it's gonna be a long process to build my brand up and to get my name out there and stuff. So I was kind of frustrated about it earlier, but I know everything takes time. So yeah, we just gotta wait until we get our first order online. So when we get our first order online, I will have this ready and, you know, working, so I could just, and then print out a label and I could just package it up. So yeah, but I think that's gonna be the end of this vlog because I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing nothing. So yeah, y'all see my retainers though? Y'all see these pearly? Hold on, my flowers is dead. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah, y'all, look at the roses that I got her. They like so dead. Like they're dead. These are crunchy. The white one's not. For real, for real. But these are crunchy. Like, ooh. Yeah, oh. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, we got the shirts. Shop QLD clothing. It should be on the screen. I'll put the tag on there. So y'all can, you know, get you a shirt. But if y'all want more videos, make sure y'all just like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we finna be dropping videos. You know, I have to edit this one, and I also have to edit one that I've been recorded. So I still ain't got that out for y'all yet. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, y'all looking over. SNL Ray out.